2019 Toyota RAV4. The RAV4 is one of the most fuel-efficient SUVs in its class. Versatile and efficient, RAV4 mixes the comfort and drivability of a sedan with the benefits of an SUV. This highly evolved, well-packaged crossover SUV lets you have it all. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power liftgate, traction control, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, electronic stability control, fog lights, rear window defroster, trip computer, power windows, panic alarm, remote keyless entry, power moonroof, brake assist, overhead console, chrome wheels, tachometer, front bucket seats, tilt steering wheel. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.